Indian Road in West Norton becomes impassable. Impact, at 16.0 feet, the Upper Marion Boathouse starts to flood. Impact, at 17.0 feet, a couple industries along the river begin to have flood problems. Water begins to cover rails in Conshohocken. Septic tracks at Mogies in Plymouth Township begin to flood. Ross Street in Plymouth Township at the Sewer Authority plant floods under the railroad bridge and bike trail. Flooding also occurs along Diamond Run at Station Road in Plymouth Township off of Conshohocken Road due to high and backwater effects. Impact, at 19.0 feet, flooding occurs at Riverfront Park in Norristown blocking the entranceway. Apartment parking lots are flooded on DeKalb Street in Norristown. Water also begins to enter the parking lot at the Riverside Apartments. Businesses and industry along DeKalb Street and on East Washington Street in Norristown begin to flood. Stony Creek begins to back up. Sawmill Run starts to flood. The intersection of Water and Lafayette Streets in Norristown is flooded, affecting businesses. Flood history. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flood warning for the Schuylkill River at Philadelphia from late tonight to Friday morning. At 3 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 6.6 feet. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late tonight to a crest of 13.1 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage early Friday morning. Impact, at 10.4 feet, Kelly Drive is flooded and closed between North Ferry Road and Falls Bridge. Impact, at 11.0 feet, Kelly Drive is flooded and closed between Hunting Park Avenue and Falls Bridge. The Flood Rock area is flooded. Impact, at 11.5 feet, Route 1 off-ramp to Ridge Avenue is flooded and closed. MLK Drive is flooded and closed between Greenland Drive and Montgomery Drive. Impact, at 12.0 feet, Main Street in Manoa floods in the area of Schurz Lane. Impact, at 13.0 feet, Main Street in Manoa is closed from Ridge Avenue to Labrington Street. Flood history, this crest compares to a previous crest of 13.1 feet on October 1, 2010. A tornado warning remains